morning and welcome to day 4, actually day 2 of the tour. So we are heading towards Turtuk. It's around 9 o'clock and we are requested to start our bikes. Yeah, half of the team members have gone ahead, so we are basically late. Yeah, so if you have made it to this day of the video, if you can share, like and subscribe to the channel, it would be very helpful. Yes, so we are basically heading towards Turtuk now. Turtuk is somewhere 90 kilometers ahead from Nubra Valley, so that's where. So we'll be going there and we'll be coming back to our own hotel where we were staying. So it's 2 days Nubra and tomorrow we'll be leading towards Pangong, the most awaited place to be visited, and that's for the last. They say, right, the best things always comes at the last part. Hey, anyone amongst the viewers, if you all know about this tree and the name, can you please ping in the comment section? Because we have been seeing this tree from quite a long time and it's not pine trees, so they also grow like to the top, I suppose, for sunlight, and they are very tall trees. They don't have much branches except for the ones coming from the trunk itself. Trunk or stem, you say? Yeah, stem. So the main stem, and there's few branches out from there. So can you, like, if you all know, please share the name. It would be really lovely about or learning about it. Tom top top dom top 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 dom top 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 dom. ऐसा लगा, मेरे को भी ऐसा लगा. हाँ, चलेगा चल. So we have a flat tire in the house. Yes. So B will be my pillion rider till Turtuk. क्या हो गया? अच्छा ओके. ये रुक अबे इतना छोटा क्यों है ये? Whoa. We have come to a certain level of off-roading. Let's see how we can make it. क्या हुआ? नहीं मत. Slowly. That's Bijoy who has got down. let's give a guide. So while you are encountering such patches, क्या? Yeah. Wow, look at the formation, bro. No, 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 no.
A few minutes later.
नहीं रुक.
Later.
So one part of the terrain we covered. This is the second terrain and it's one of the difficult ones. So if you can see, almost the bike tires are going inside. Not sure how Himalayan will be going in. There also we helped every other biker to go around. Don't think it low or something of that sort. It's completely normal if you are taking help from your fellow passengers or your fellow mates or even the army. See, the bro men are helping over there. They are always helpful. So let's see.
minutes later.
Thank you. एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट पैर नहीं जा रही है मेरी हाँ आप ले सकते हो क्या? एक्सक्यूज मी, आप ले सकते हो क्या? मेरा पैर पहुंच नहीं रहा है।
मेरे को नहीं आएगा, सपोर्ट कर दो।
इस साइड से सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा। आप करोगे? Like I told you all, my leg wasn't reaching the top base, so I wasn't able to do it, but I'm not demotivated for it. So yet we again hit the road. After that rocky patch, we took a small break. I gave my bike to some other fellow rider to take it, since my leg was not reaching the surface. So it's I can't balance it, or like it I couldn't take it ahead. So the tall guy, I'm not sure of his name, so Makrant I suppose, so Makrant or Ajay Kaka or someone. I gave him my bike and he got it outside for me. So yes, so like I was saying last time, don't get demotivated or something that you couldn't take it from that patch, or you had to give it to some other fellow rider to take your bike, you're solo or something. Don't be demotivated. It's nothing, it's a rocky patch, it's not that everyone can try it. You need support for that, and you get support. So when you're getting support, don't be disheartened. Okay, so that's one point. And yeah, here we are again, we are on the roads, so we are expecting few more roads like that. Not sure, but there might be. That was typically due to a landslide which happened yesterday or day before yesterday or today morning, not sure. So yeah, these roads tend to have these kind of things again and again. So Malcolm is showing that there's a river over there which we saw. Yeah, but this river is not that great as the one which we saw yesterday at Khalsar or Khardungla. Man, that was scenic beauty. And that's it. I'll see you on the other side. क्या हुआ? पता नहीं. आ रहे. Yes. So now I'm on my pillion rider with Malcolm. So basically there was a chain sprocket or chain, what I'm not sure what we say about that, but there was a missing part in the chain. So that was going to break if I would have driven for more 10 or 20 kilometers. So we spoke to that people and we told them that the chain has been broken. So we handed the bike to them. They said, okay, since they don't have the spare now, they can't replace it, and they'll get it repaired and get it back to the Nubra campsite. So now on the way to Turtuk with Malcolm as the pillion. Sorry, with me as a pillion rider with Malcolm.